Hello and welcome to Akshu's Kitchen. Today we'll see how to prepare Tiffin Sambar or Hotel Sambar, for which you'll need the following ingredients to serve approximately 3 to 5 people. 2 medium-sized tomatoes, 1 medium-sized onion, 2 shallot onions, 3 green chilies, 3 cloves of garlic and some fresh coriander leaves, half a cup of tur dal and 2.5 teaspoon each coriander powder and sambar powder. The recipe of sambar powder you can find in Akshu's Kitchen channel on YouTube, and 3/4 teaspoon of asafoetida, that is hing. For tempering, half a teaspoon of mustard seeds, half a teaspoon of cumin seeds, 1/4 teaspoon of fenugreek seeds, some fresh curry leaves and 3 dry red chilies, 2 teaspoons of salt and half a teaspoon of turmeric powder. First, I have washed the tur dal and I have taken it in a pressure cooker. To this, I am going to add the 3 cloves of garlic by cutting it into small pieces, and also the 2 shallot onions, which again I am going to cut it into small pieces and add it, and also add about 2 cups of water to this and pressure cook for about 10 minutes or approximately 5 to 6 whistles, or according to your pressure cooker requirement. I am adding hot water directly so that it gets cooked very quickly. So once the pressure has settled, I have opened it and the tur dal is really cooked well. Just mash it well with a spoon so that the cooked garlic and onion gets disappeared in the tur dal mixture. To this I am going to add the sambar powder, coriander powder, asafoetida, that is the hing, and also the salt and turmeric powder, and mix all of them together thoroughly so that you have no lumps and it gets dissolved well in the tur dal mixture, and keep it aside ready. Next, in a pan I am going to add about 2 tablespoons of oil, and when it is hot I am going to add 1 shallot onion, cut it into small pieces and then add it. Wait until it turns golden in color and then add the other tempering agents, that's the mustard seeds, cumin seeds and fenugreek seeds, and wait until it splutter well, and then add the 3 green chilies by tearing it into 2 each, and also the curry leaves, and saute it for about 5 to 10 seconds, and then add the 1 medium sized onion which I have roughly sliced, along with the 3 green chilies which I have slit into 2, and I am going to saute it for about a minute or 2 until the onions become soft and turns light golden in color. When you get this texture, you can add the tomatoes, the 2 medium sized tomatoes, and again saute it for just a minute, not much, and immediately I am going to add about 2 cups of water. Again I am adding hot water directly from the kettle so that it gets to the boiling point very quickly, and once it starts boiling I am going to close it with a lid and simmer it for about 5 minutes. For hotel sambar or tiffin sambar, you need not add any vegetables, but I am adding just the carrot, but you can skip it if you don't want to, or also add some additional vegetables like brinjal or drumstick according to your choice, and close it with a lid and let it simmer for about 5 minutes. After about 5 minutes, the carrot would have become very soft and the mixture would have combined well. Now add the prepared tur dal mixture to this, and again I am going to allow it to come to a boil, and once it starts boiling, simmer it for another 5 minutes by closing it with the lid. I am going to add a very small piece of jaggery to this. I have not mentioned this in the ingredients list. This gives a unique flavor to the sambar. Close it with the lid and let it simmer in medium flame for another 5 minutes, and now tiffin sambar or hotel sambar is ready, almost ready. Just throw in the fresh coriander leaves which I have cut into small pieces, and tiffin sambar is ready to serve. It goes excellent with idli and dosa. Actually it may look dilute now, but once it cools down a little bit it will thicken even more, so don't worry about the consistency. Also, do not make it too thick because it will not be good to serve with idli or dosa if it is too thick. Try it and you'll really like it. Thank you for watching Akshu's Kitchen.